Welcome to your bedtime yoga routine for great sleep. Today, all you need is your yoga mat. Wear something comfortable and cozy. Perhaps have a blanket or a towel by your side. That's completely optional. Set up your space for relaxation, maybe light a candle, dim the lights, and make sure that your space has enough room for you to move your arms freely so that you're not bumping into anything. Other than that, get ready for a really nice, gentle, calming yoga routine. Let's get started. We're going to begin in easy pose today, seated comfortably cross-legged with your eyes either open or closed. Take a nice big inhale and exhale through the nose. Inhale and exhale. Inhale one more time and then exhale through the mouth to release. Now we're going to draw the shoulders up to our ears. Inhale and then exhale, release the shoulders down the back. Inhale, drawing the shoulders up. Exhale, release down. One more time. Inhale and then exhale to release. Now let's begin some gentle neck circles. Closing your eyes, envision drawing a small circle with your nose. Being careful not to crunch the back of your neck. Inhaling as you bring your head forward, exhaling as you draw it back. Taking your time. If you find a spot that feels a little sticky, you can stick there for a second and just work that out. Now we're going to switch directions. Again, envisioning this maybe dinner-sized plate that you're drawing with your nose. Remembering to focus on your breath, inhaling when you come forward, exhaling as you draw the head back. Now we can still our motion. You can take a nice cleansing breath here, inhale and exhale. Now we're going to bring our right hand up to our left ear, gently drawing our right ear down towards our right shoulder. You can bring your left hand down to the mat beside you, and if you're looking for a deeper stretch, you can gently bring that left arm up, breathing, being really mindful not to force anything and being very gentle with yourself. Releasing your right hand down, take a nice inhale and exhale, bringing your left hand now up to your right ear, drawing your left ear down to your left shoulder. Inhale as you bring up the right hand, feeling that nice stretch along the neck and the shoulder. Breathing as you do this stretch. Release your right hand down, release your left. And we're going to work on some body rolls. Inhale as you bring your chest forward. Exhale as you draw your spine back, creating that C curve. Inhale, your heart forward, and exhale. Now let's switch directions. Exhale as you draw your belly button in towards your spine when you reach the back. Inhale, drawing your heart forward, really getting into this motion here. If something feels like it needs a little bit more, you can stick there and give it some love. Now we're going to still that motion, and then we're going to come onto hands and knees, wrists below your shoulders, knees below your hips. We're going to inhale as we drop the belly and look up. Exhale, draw the navel towards the spine, release the tailbone. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, press through the palms, rounding the spine for cat. Inhale, shining the heart forward, looking up. And exhale, rounding the spine, looking towards your navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round the spine. We're going to find ourselves in a neutral position with a flat back. Bring your knees as wide as the mat as you press back and sit on your heels for a wide-legged child's pose. Relaxing your forehead on the mat, pressing your palms into the mat away from you. Breathing deep into the back body. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to walk our hands over to the right top corner of your mat, remaining in that child's pose, getting a nice stretch along the left side body, sending your breath there. Exhale as you walk your hands to the left top corner of the mat. Now feeling the stretch in your right side body. Inhale as you walk your hands back to the middle of the mat. Now we'll make our way onto our hands and knees and then press up and back into our first downward facing dog. Taking a nice inhale as you get comfortable here. Perhaps you pedal out your feet, lifting high on the toes, finding a nice release in the backs of the legs. This is our first downward facing dog, so being very gentle and taking your time, drawing the shoulders away from the ears, hips up towards the sky. Now as we exhale, we'll bring our knees back down to the mat and meet in a tabletop position. We're going to inhale, bring our right arm up towards the sky, and exhale as we thread it through our left arm. Being mindful to square the shoulders here to protect the neck. If you'd like, you can bring your left hand up towards the top of the mat or place it near your face. Inhale as we come back to tabletop. Exhale, threading the left arm underneath of the right. Again, bringing your right hand up towards the top of the mat if that is comfortable. Breathing here, sending breath into the back body as we get a nice twist. Releasing here, coming back into tabletop, and we'll spin our legs back behind us as we sit back on our heels in hero's pose. Now we're going to bring our right hand up and place our middle and pointer finger down towards our palm as we prepare for our pranayama practice or breathing practice called Nadi Shodhana. To start, we're going to take a nice deep inhale through the nose and exhale. Bringing the right hand up to the face, we're going to take our thumb and close off our right nostril as we inhale through the left. We're going to close off the left nostril as we exhale through the right. Inhale through the right nostril. Close off the right nostril and exhale through the left. Take an inhale through the left nostril. Close off the left nostril and exhale through the right. Inhale right, closing it off with your thumb, and then exhale through the left nostril. And we're going to inhale through the left, close off the left nostril with your ring finger as you exhale through the right. Inhale, right nostril, and exhale. Resting your hands on your thighs. Now we're going to take a nice big inhale, sweeping our arms up and overhead, and exhale as we twist to the right. Right hand rests on the left thigh, left hand back behind us as we look over the shoulder, getting a nice twist in our thoracic spine, being mindful to not force anything. Taking a nice deep breath, sending that breath to the back body. Inhale as you bring your arms up and overhead, facing forward. Exhale, release to the ground. Inhale, arms up, and exhale as you twist to the right. Left hand resting on the right thigh. Right hand back behind you as you look over that right shoulder. Inhale and exhale as you can see if you can twist just a little deeper. Inhale, bringing the arms up and overhead, and exhale, releasing the hands down to heart center. Finding our way into tabletop position, take a nice deep inhale, and then exhale as you press up and back into downward facing dog. Inhale, lifting the heels, bringing the knees down towards the mat. Exhale, drawing the navel towards the spine as you press back into downward facing dog. We'll do that a couple more times. Inhale, lift the heels, bring the knees just above the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the heels, hover the knees above the mat, and then exhale, downward facing dog. Nice job. Now we're going to pedal out the feet, sending that breath towards the back body, drawing the shoulders away from the ears. Bringing the knees down towards the mat, we're going to make our way into a seated position. Once you get there, you're going to take your right foot and place it on the inner thigh of your left leg, stretching your left leg out in front of you. Inhale, drawing the arms up and over as you stretch forward over that left leg. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and then exhale, stretching forward, reaching possibly for the foot, the ankle, or even the knee. Breathing here, inhale and exhale. Inhale, sitting up, and then we're going to switch sides, bringing the left heel to the right thigh, squaring your body off to that right leg. Inhale, draw the arms up, and exhale as you fold forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale. Breathing here, enjoying this nice relaxing stretch. Focusing on your breath. Inhale through the nose and exhale. Slowly walking back up to a seated position. We're going to bring our legs straight out in front of us. Inhale, draw the arms up and overhead, and exhale as you fold forward. Relaxing down, lengthening the spine. Again, being mindful not to force anything. Wherever you are is perfect. Inhale, sending that breath to the back body. Exhale. Inhale. Relaxing the face. And then exhale as you press up into a seated position. Now we're going to bring the soles of our feet to touch. And we're just going to give ourselves a nice foot massage. So just taking your thumbs, gently massage the soles of your feet down by the heels, in the arch of your foot, perhaps your toes, just showing yourself some really gentle love and self-care here. Inhale and then exhale as we make our way onto our backs, taking your time here, getting comfortable. Now we're going to do a happy baby. So we're going to take our hands and reach for either the outside of our feet, the inner soles, or the ankles, whatever is most accessible to you. Bringing the soles of the feet towards the ceiling, rocking back and forth to get a nice gentle back massage. And exhale as we release the feet down. We're going to bring the right ankle onto the thigh of the left leg. Then we're going to drop the knee over to the left, with our arms outstretched, looking towards the right for a gentle spinal twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, coming back to center. Release the right foot down, bringing the left ankle up to the right above the right knee, dropping the legs over towards the right as you look towards the left. Relaxing here. Our last spinal twist. Really enjoy this one. Inhale and exhale. Bringing out all that extra stuff that our body doesn't need. Inhale, coming back to center, release the feet down to the mat. Windshield wipering the legs. And now we will set up for Shavasana. If you have a blanket nearby and you'd like to place one on your abdomen or over your feet, perhaps putting your hood up if that makes you feel more comfortable, and then laying flat on the ground, relaxing your body, palms up or palms down, whatever feels better to you. And then just breathe. Begin to wiggle your toes and your fingers coming back into your body. And whenever you're ready, rolling over to your side in a fetal position and slowly pressing up into a cross-legged seated position. Keeping your eyes closed, resting the palms of your hands on your knees. Take a nice big inhale and exhale. Inhale, bringing your arms out towards your side, and exhale, releasing down to prayer at your heart center. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I wish you a very, very restful, peaceful sleep. Good night, everyone.